Hi friends, we are Technofrenzy and today we are going to show you how to make a DIY intruder alarm. The components which are required to make this are an Arduino Uno. This is an ultrasonic sensor sonar HCSR04, a breadboard, this is a small buzzer, piezoelectric buzzer, an LED, and some few jumper wires. Now let us make the circuit. Here we are using the LED along with the buzzer to indicate if something comes in the way of the sonar. Now we are going to upload the program to the Arduino. Here the program is written in such a way that if something falls within or equal to the range of 10 cm of the sonar, then only the buzzer and the LED will glow. Now let's check whether the circuit is working properly or not.
Hi friends, hope you liked our video. Do hit the like button and comment if you have any queries. All the materials used in this product, you can find them on Amazon by clicking on the link given below.